results, wondering if they have meningitis. Plus,
They can make me out as a monster, they can treat me as a monster, but they can't take away my heart.
Hear who former Penn State coach Jerry Sandusky blames in a new audio recording.
and dorm rooms adorn parents and pornography. A world-famous Minnesota school caught up in a sex abuse investigation. Tonight we've learned several victims in a sex crimes case at Shattuck St. Mary's School have contacted a high-profile law firm in St. Paul. A 70-year-old actor put in TV shows like Big Bang Theory is accused of having sexual contact with 6 students. 5 News reporter Chris Eggers is here now with new details from the first one tonight. Chris?
Leah, we're talking about Jeff Anderson and Associates. It's a St. Paul law firm that's made a name for itself around the country, specializing in child sex abuse. They haven't been hired yet, but they have talked to people involved, and those conversations started before the charges dropped today against former Shattuck St. Mary's teacher Lynn Seibel. The Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension announced Monday 17 charges against 70-year-old Lynn Seibel for having